Good morning students. Today we will learn about median. Okay, what is median? After arranging data in ascending or descending order of magnitudes, the value of the middle term is called the median of the data. Okay, here if you come to this median, here what to do? First we have to arrange the given data either in ascending order or descending order. Okay, after that we have to take the middle term, that is your median. Okay, so for this one another thing is there, that is if the number of observations is odd, then there will be only one midterm and this term is the median. Okay, so whatever the observations we are taking now, after arranging these observations in ascending order, okay, we have to count the number of observations. After finding number of observations, we have to check whether this one is odd or even. When the number of observations is even, then there will be two middle terms. Okay, the average of these two middle terms will be the median of data. While calculating these problems, you can easily understand. First, remember this one. What we have to do? So, to calculate median, first we have to arrange the data in either in ascending order or descending order. But we do in ascending order only. Okay, after arranging the data in ascending order, we have to check for the middle term. How we check middle term? For that reason, we have to find the total number of observations. How many number of observations we are taking, whether that number is odd or even. If the number is odd, then we have to take the middle term of the given data. Okay. In the next class we will see when the number of observations are even, what to do, that we will see in the next class. Okay. See, if the number of observations is odd, what we have to do? The median is the value at position n plus 1 by 2. Here n is the number of terms, that is number of observations we are taking. That is n here. We have to add plus 1 to this n and we have to divide that one by 2. N plus 1 by 2. This is the formula we have to use to find out the middle term of the given data. That too, if the n is odd only. N means number of observations. Okay. See this example here. Find the median of the following data. So first write down the given data. After that write down the data in ascending order. Okay. Here see this one. This is your ascending order of given data. So I have arranged this data in ascending order here. 3, 6, 7, 11, 12, 15, 16, 20, 23. Okay. After that what we have to see? How many number of terms we are taking here? That we have to count here. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here I am taking 9 terms. So 9 is even or odd? So 9 is odd number. What we have to do? What is the formula we have to use if the number of is middle term equal to n plus 1 by 2? Here what is n here? Number of terms. N means here number of terms. Okay, number of terms is your n. N means 9. Number of terms here is 9 in place of n. Okay, 9 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, 10 by 2 equal to 5. That means fifth term. So your middle term. Observe your data. Which one is fifth term here? So see, in ascending order you have written the given data na? So in that ascending order data you have to check fifth term. Which one here? 12. Number 12 is your fifth term. So that is your median. So understood now how to calculate? First to find out ascending order. After that find out number of terms. After that n plus 1 by 2. You have to do n plus 1 by 2. Okay. See the next problem here. Here the number of runs scored by 11 members of a cricket team they have given. Now take the given data. After that, write down the given data in ascending order. After writing in ascending order, find out the number of observations. Here the number of observations we are taking is 11. Count all the observations, your count will be 11. So now use the formula of middle term. Okay, what is that one? N plus 1 by 2. In place of n, place 11. 11 plus 1 by 2. You will get 12. So see this one. This is your formula, n plus 1 by 2 for odd numbers. Okay, n plus 1 by 2. That means 11 plus 1 by 2. 11 plus 1 means 12 by 2. That is, you will get 6. That means sixth term. Your sixth term is 29. That is your median. Here your number of observations is odd. That is 11 you are getting here. So this is odd number. So you have to use n plus 1 by 2 formula. In place of n, place 11. 11 plus 1 by 2, you will get 6. 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. That is sixth term. Your sixth term in ascending order of data is 29. That is your median. Now we learned which formula we have to use if the number of observations is odd. Now in the next class we will see which formula we have to use if the number of observations is even. Okay, in the next class we will going to learn how to calculate middle term. The number of observations is even. Thank you.